Bard AI, the greatest features. Bard AI is an experimental tool from Google that lets you collaborate with generative AI. You can use Bard to boost your productivity, accelerate your ideas and fuel your curiosity. Here are some of the top features of Bard that make it a unique and powerful assistant. 1. Multiple drafts. Bard will often give you multiple drafts of its response so you can pick the best starting point for you. You can also ask Bard to try again if you want to see an alternative. 2. Follow-up questions. You can continue to collaborate with Bard by asking follow-up questions or giving feedback. Bard will try to understand your intent and provide relevant information or suggestions. 3. Quality information. Bard is powered by a large language model, LLM, that is grounded in Google's understanding of quality information. Bard will use reliable sources and avoid inaccurate, misleading or false information as much as possible. 4. Code generation. Bard can help you with programming and software development tasks, including code generation, debugging and code explanation. You can use Bard for more than 20 programming languages, such as Python, Java and JavaScript. 5. Code export. You can easily export Python code from Bard to Google Colab, a free online platform for data science and machine learning. You can run, edit and share your code without leaving the browser. 6. Creativity boost. Bard can help you spark your creativity by generating ideas, outlines or content for various domains, such as blog posts, stories, poems or songs. You can also ask Bard to explain or elaborate on its outputs. 7. Curiosity fuel. Bard can help you learn new things or explore topics that interest you by providing simple explanations, examples or facts. You can ask Bard anything from quantum physics to indoor plants and get informative and engaging responses. 8. Productivity tips. Bard can help you achieve your personal or professional goals by giving you tips, advice or suggestions. You can ask Bard to help you with time management, reading habits, fitness routines or career development. 9. Language support. Bard currently supports English and Spanish, and will expand to more languages over time. You can switch between languages easily and ask Bard to translate words or phrases for you. 10. Experimentation. Bard is an early experiment that is constantly evolving and improving. You can share your feedback with Google and help shape the future of generative AI. These are some of the top features of Bard AI that make it a great tool to collaborate with generative AI. You can sign up to try Bard from Google's website and start using it today. Thanks for watching.